Joe Biden swearing in as the 46th President of the United States was some immediate changes as he erased a slew of Donald Trump's most divisive policies. Biden pushed through a flurry of orders the moment he entered the White House, starting with rejoining the 2015 Paris Climate Accord, from which the United States was the sole outlier after withdrawal by Donald Trump, an ally of the fossil fuel industry. Biden also halted the US exit from the World Health Organization, rescinded a ban on visitors from several Muslim majority nations, and halted construction of Trump's cherished wall on the Mexican border. Indian origin Kamala Harris was on Wednesday sworn in as America's first woman vice president during a historic inauguration at the west front of the Capitol. Harris, 56 years old, the 49th US vice president, will serve as the deputy of President Joe Biden, who is 78 years old, who also took the oath of office, becoming the 46th US president. Soon after taking the oath, she wrote on Twitter, "Ready to serve." Harris took over the office of the US Vice President from 61-year-old Mike Pence. Biden succeeded President Donald Trump, who was 74 years old. Harris, the daughter of an Indian immigrant from Chennai, scripted history by becoming the first ever woman Vice President of the United States. She is also the first female, first black, and first South Asian American Vice President. The government on Wednesday proposed to suspend the three contentious farm laws for 1.5 years and set up a joint committee to discuss the acts to end the stalemate, but farmer leaders did not immediately accept the proposal and said they will revert after their internal consultations. The next meeting has been scheduled for January 22nd, a day after the farmer unions hold their internal discussions on Thursday. Farmer leaders said after the 10th round of talks ended at Vigyan Bhavan after nearly 5 hours of talks, including 2 breaks. During their 10th round of negotiations with 3 central ministers, the two sides decided to meet again on Friday after the union leaders hold their own internal consultations on Thursday. Sensex hit 50,000 mark at pre-open on global cues on Thursday. At 9:02 IST, the Sensex was up 211.40 points or 0.42% at 50,003.52, and the Nifty was up 146 point or 1%. The markets are said to be reacting to the strong cues coming from global markets, with Joe Biden being sworn in as the new president of the United States. The World Health Organization said that 3 COVID-19 vaccines were in the late stages of review for possible emergency use listing, in addition to the one made by Pfizer and BioNTech already approved. An internal WHO document seen by Reuters gives timeline for the agency's possible vaccine approvals, indicating that shots from Moderna, AstraZeneca, and China's Sinopharm and Sinovac could win emergency go-ahead in coming weeks or months.
Hello everyone, HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free.
First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs.
So, hope to see you soon with our badges.